Alright, guys, welcome to episode 3 of Red Dead Redemption 2. So, last episode we fought some O'Driscolls and we saved John Marston. So, in this episode, we're gonna speak to Mr. Pearson. So, let's go.
We're okay. We have
The aftermath of Genesis.
And a rabbit. For what? 10, 12 people? When I was in the Navy. I do not wish to hear about what you got up to in the Navy, Mr. Pearson. We were stranded at sea.
At least you guys can see the subtitles.
For 50 days. And you unfortunately survived. When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in. Well, when government agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short.
Not my fault.
We'll survive.
Right.
We always have. If needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest. I sent Lenny and Bill hunting, and they found nothing. Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to raid.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ain't no wonder they found enough of this. We'll go find something. Come on.
Charles.
Wait a second. Hold on. Here.
Bro. Alright.
You're gonna need something to eat out there. Assorted, salted off. Starving would be preferable.
Come on, let's go.
You can't go hunting. Look at your hand.
I can't stay here listening to you two. Look, if there's game in those hills, I'll find it. And you can kill it.
You need to rest, Charles.
You think this is rest? Come along.
There.
Here, you take this. I can't use it, and you'll have to.
Alright. Assorted something, whatever I got. What did I get? Assorted salted alpha.
What?
How are you holding up, Charles?
I'm okay. Apart from this hand. Stupid mistake.
Still bad?
It'll be fine in a day or two. I just can't pull a bow right now.
Sure hope I can. Never really got the hang of it.
You'll be fine.
So, you reckon we're gonna find
We going hunting.
That ain't no Driscoll?
There's meat up here for sure. Pearson doesn't know what he's talking about. Now the weather's eased off a bit, they'll be needing to feed. We'll head up this way, find some higher ground.
Whew. Been a wild few days, all right. That ride north from Blackwater, getting stuck in the storm, going out for John, that thing with the O'Driscolls.
You've had a lot put on you. I wish I could have done more.
I didn't mean it like that, just a lot to think back on.
I still don't really know what happened on that boat.
Me neither. Well, Javier told me a bit, but it sure weren't good.
Alright. What's the cutscene for? We could have kept walking. Probably just loaded something in. Alright, so yeah, we're going hunting. So we're gonna hunt some deer or something.
See some of the ground uncovered here. Come on, let's try this way. Keep your eyes peeled for movement. The wind's died down too.
That's good.
No wind at all is bad, but if it's too strong, they won't move. Now shh, stay quiet. Hey, stop here a second. I see something. There's deer been here. Recently.
How can you tell?
How can we not? We'll track them on foot. You're gonna need the bow. Don't leave it on your horse. The gun will skip it. Prepare everything around.
I forgot he gave me a bow.
Keep down. Move quietly and slowly.
But where the
You see the
foot?
tracks?
I don't think so. Maybe not.
Focus.
Press L and R to activate Eagle Eye. Alright. Focus on track.
It's easier in the snow. But once you get your eye, you'll be able to track nearly as well in the grass. Good.
Your scent is also shown in Eagle Eye. Going in the direct. Oh, I see it. I see it. It's right here, subtle glow. That can be hard to miss. I mean, that can be hard. That can be easy to miss if, like, you're not careful. So, just follow me, bro. Go back.
Shh. Down there. You see him? Are you ready with that bow? Got it. Good shot. Now let's try for another.
It's over there, alright. Oh, you can keep Eagle Eye on. I'm using Deadeye. Oh, it's because I had my bow up. Oh, that was... Your tracking does run out, so... I see it, I see it. I'm gonna get closer, I'm gonna get closer.
Got it. Well done. I think that's all we can carry.
Alright?
You good? You pick up one? I'll get the other.
You sure your hand's okay?
It'll be fine. Get it on my shoulder. Okay. We'll grab the other one.
Alright. Your horse will respond to your call as long as it is in range. Continue to bound with your horse to increase the distance. Yeah! Still, Daddy!
Pretty good.
Hold up. Hold up! Gotta get my health up. Not my health, my stamina. Yeah. It does all of it. Alright. Come on.
Ready to head back when you are.
Come on, then. Let's head back.
Good job.
Nice work, Arthur. Should be enough meat here to keep us all fed for a few days.
You found it.
I knew you'd be okay with that bow.
It's easier when they ain't shooting back.
We've seen enough of that.
Considering how things were looking a couple of days back, well, maybe our luck's finally on the turn.
Seems to me we should be putting our effort into getting off this mountain now.
Soon. People are still weak, and you've seen how snowed in those wagons are. They ain't going nowhere until we get some more thaw.
You're probably right. And even if we do get off here, what then? We still have a big price on our heads.
This is a big country. We'll find somewhere to lie low. Dutch and Jose will have a plan.
So I figured out the things that were epilogues. They're not. They're missions. So.
You notice how Pearson's had a bottle in his hand ever since we fled Blackwater?
Wait, yeah.
We give the camp cook 5 minutes to grab the essentials and go.
He always has a bottle.
And he doesn't even bring a crumb of food.
Good that we caught more than one. We've only been up here a few days and have already picked up 2 more mouths to feed.
One more. We ain't feeding the O'Driscoll a damn thing. Except maybe that can of salted offal Pearson was kind enough to give us.
The girl, she has a wild look in her eye.
Of course. She lost her husband, her home, everything she had.
So what do we do with her?
Well, once we get out of here and we're back on our feet, we'll see. She might have family somewhere.
Who knows? Maybe she'll deal with the O'Driscoll for us.
Well, I know who my money's on in that fight. He's weak, but that makes him much more useful. Maybe we can get to them
Water
before
frozen
they get
right
to
there.
us.
What is it with the O'Driscolls?
You ain't dealt with them? I suppose. Hell, we ain't run into them much the last 6 months. I guess because they've been over this way.
Yeah. I've heard a lot of talk about them.
Well,
It's a bear.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
we've been scrapping over scores with them for years.
Right there, look.
Watch out.
It's a bear.
Bear up ahead. Let's see if we can find another way around.
He's got a lot of meat on him.
We've got enough here. No need to push our luck. You must be real hungry. Stay well back. Spring storms like this are the worst for animals that sleep all winter. Yeah. Cut up here, off the trail.
you've been with us now? 5, 6 months?
Something like that.
But he didn't expect this.
What?
Any of this. Blackwater mess. Being up here.
Ah, sooner or later, a job's gonna go wrong. Nature of life.
I just thought you might have moved on by now.
You want me to move on?
No, no, not at all. Just know you could run it alone, no problem.
I did that for a long time. I'm done with it. Always wondering if someone's gonna kill you in your sleep.
I still wonder that most nights.
I reckon you're okay. This suits me. Sure, I could fall in with another gang, but Dutch. You know, Dutch is different.
Is he Indian? He sounds like
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
it.
That's certainly different.
He treats me fair. Most you do. And for a fellow with a black father and an Indian mother, that ain't normally the case.
Oh, he's mixed.
Well, we need you now. More than ever.
Good. And how long have you been with these boys? Why ain't you run off?
Me? 20 years, something like that. Since I was a boy. Careful.
20 years?
Yeah,
20?
he taught me to read. John, too. Taught me a few other things, him and Hosea.
He's like 23.
Watch it.
I'm sure.
Dutch saved me. Saved most of us. That's why we need to stick by him through this.
Bro, the wind.
Nobody sees us right.
How's that new horse?
He's all right. He'll do for now. I appreciate you letting me take Taima the other night.
She's a strong one. It's been as hard on the horses as on the rest of us. I don't know what Dutch would do if something happened to the Count.
Same with Bill and Brown Jack.
Arthur.
He's a drunk, miserable bastard, but he knows that horse.
I hope they all make it.
I tried to ride the cow once.
Alright, we're back.
Faster than a bull. Won't take nobody but him.
My frames just dropped like crazy.
I'm gonna hitch time over here.
Brought some food back, boys. Come on, get these over to Pearson. Thank you for showing me how to use the bow properly.
I only showed you a little. There's a lifetime of practice to master.
Well.
Move you guys up. And there.
Just drop it down in here.
Oh,
What a surprise.
Find a camp rat loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend? I feel like we haven't spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid.
He loves me, really. It's his sad way of showing affection.
No, it isn't. Now shoot, get lost.
Well, see you gents later.
See, you got on just fine. Charles is a wonder.
Have a drink, boys. You earned it.
Jesus,
What is that? Navy rum, sir. It's the only thing. The only thing. Keeps you sane, it does.
yes, seems to have done a treat on you. You go rest that hand, Charles. We'll be fine in a few days.
Mind helping me with the skinning, Mr. Morgan? It's easier if we do it together.
I'll get to skin you.
You're always one with the jokes, aren't you? Come on.
This really isn't a job for a man with a burnt hand. I'll see you both later.
You skin that one, did you? Dumped on
Skin.
the floor there.
oh alright. Oh, meat. Oh my god.
Not too bad, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. They always said you were a butcher. You know, you could trade these and sell these in pretty much any town. If you're looking to make a legitimate bit of money, of course. Right now, I'm just looking to get off this mountain alive. Well, if you catch anything else, you bring it to me. Sure. Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Heck, Arthur Morgan's first decent bit of hunting after all these years. Yeah. Well, we're on the run now. Everyone's got to do their bit to survive. Just make a good stew. Folk need it. It's been a tough few days.
You've unlocked the Master Hunter Challenge. Check your log for more information. A few days later.
It's been a bad few weeks. Dutch, being Dutch, he is busy making plans.
Oh, last time he said he was waiting for it to thaw. So I thought the snow had thawed. Now the snow is thawing.
Dutch being Dutch, those.
So are we gonna get into like a town or something? Like get some sun or something?
Plans involve robbery and dreams.
Who the heck is
Well, I thought
Leviticus
you was reading
Cornwall?
him his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You're still here then?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And you'll pay me. But for the moment, just rest.
Marty, I think it's time for the train. Want me to go? Of course I do, but look at you. I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail. Jackie.
The boy wanted to see you, John.
You see me now. What's left of me? What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marcy.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now,
Is she mad at him? Like, I don't know.
railway man. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Hey,
Yeah, it definitely thawed.
No problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking. We could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on. What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
we're living, Hosea. We're living. Look at me. We're living. Even you. But we need money. Everything we have's in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a big railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves.
Dutch.
Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob.
Really? I'm not trying to rob a train. Whatever.
Everyone ready? All right, let's head out.
White-tailed deer. When riding with the game, double tap A to move up the formation or tap.
Okay, gentlemen, listen up, all of you. According to the information so kindly provided to us by the O'Driscoll, the train will be coming north from Big Valley. We're going to pick it off after it crosses the border into the Grizzlies. There's a raised spot there that should give us good vantage. Charles, you'll keep lookout for any outriders. How's that hand, by the way?
I'll be fine.
Good. I'll take the driver and engineer that run point. Lenny, Javier, you two take the front cars, deal with any guards. Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's what we're after. Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan. Great. Have you got a problem with that?
If you keep your head for once.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough! After Bill blows too fast, we're gonna need to move fast.
Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Horse bonding level 3.
Crystal.
You've unlocked a special skill.
Now come on.
Alright.
Let's ride.
Not special skill, skill.
Out of the snow, finally.
Feels good, doesn't it? But we need to get this done fast.
Yeah, the ice melted.
Before anyone gets up here after us. Oh, look at you boys. See? This is what I call a crew. Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan, Javier Escuela, and what about young Lenny here? Always the first man on his horse.
Just happy we're back at it, Dutch.
Oh,
You sure you're ready for this, kid? Of course I'm ready.
Just stay
Dirt.
calm. Keep your eyes sharp. That goes for all of you. No mistakes. Not again.
So we do this, then we go back to Blackwater to collect.
we got sunshine and dirt.
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
That's a lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back when I say we go back. And that's the end of it. Money's safe. You'll just have to trust me. And if the O'Driscolls are right, there'll be a stack of railroad bonds. Ah! There's the water tower. Hold up here on the ridge.
Whoa there.
Is Bill there?
Yeah.
You want to head down, see how he's getting on?
Okay.
Hey.
How you getting on?
I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
Okay, this is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I've got it from here. Jump up. All right. I have to say, I'm rather looking forward.
Just be ready to move quick. And remember the plan. For all of you, no mistakes.
Dutch, be quiet, bro. What you mean, no?
What's going on? He says all fine.
We'll soon find out.
Everything okay? I think so. Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute now. gentlemen, it's time. Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
A train? Well, I already knew this, but because they literally said we're robbing a train.
Shit! No! What? Oh, you gotta be kidding me! Where did you find that? Morgan said it was fine. Come on! You're pathetic. You know that?
We're jumping on a train.
Here we go! We go!
Oh! Got me jumping on trains.
Help! Pull me up! I got you. Now stop yelling. Oh, shit. Yeah, you're okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him. Come on, we need to stop this train.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him?
Luda.
Who's going?
Let me search.
Okay, I'll see you. Shouldn't we push up?
We got trouble here.
Yeah. Try me.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Kill that bastard.
Should we move up?
You're going to the dogs.
We best get up there.
I got these sons of bitches.
Come on.
How you doing there?
I'm okay. I'm going up. We have to stop this train. We gotta hurry. We have to stop this train.
That's what we're doing, kid.
So shut up.
Let's keep moving.
Landy. Let me loot. Swear.
Shoot him, damn it!
Stop it.
Look out. Got more coming off the train.
I forgot about Deadeye.
There better be some money at the end of this.
Holy. That's just...
Oh.
We need to burn the back, right?
Yep. Keep pushing on.
Watch out! There's a... Watch out! There's some shooters up top!
Their head literally got blown off.
Still okay?
I think so.
Good.
No joking.
Damn! He's got an arm! What is this
Still
now?
good, kid. Where the hell are the others?
I don't know. Damn it! I thought that was all.
We're gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are. No, you can have it. That's my boy.
You two all right?
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you.
Any more of you?
I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Corps.
Come on, boys.
Don't no one care.
Okay. You asked for it.
We
I'm
ain't
saying.
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1. Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little. That's enough. Mr. William, Mr. Morgan, and Mrs. Dynamite, you two boys go blow that door open. Now, don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough. Now light the fuse.
Here we go.
Unless you got a death wish. I'd step back, fellas.
All right, come on. There's more going on here. We don't want to kill you. We just want to rob your boss. Get on up there. Search that train.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Now I've seen everything. Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes.
Don't lose the train.
Should be easy as cake.
What's
You're just gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will ya?
Shut up.
Me and Arthur did all the work.
Yeah, kids
Read.
did good. Didn't
Dear
see
Li-
you rushing to jump on that train.
He's keen. I'll give you that.
Dear Leviticus, they
Okay, let's see if we can get this open.
goddamn door when I say
Come on. Come on.
Dear Leviticus, thank you for the telegram and your continued interest in the Jameson Mining Company. What?
Come on. Let's hurry this along, boys.
Shut up.
Any luck, Arthur?
Nothing much yet.
Well, let's keep looking.
Goddamn O'Driscolls.
These just seem to be contracts.
That's a fair
Arthur, have you looked down the end there?
Can I look?
Well, keep looking. There must be something.
How's it looking in there?
Company. I meant company. Like, I was reading so fast. Like, alright. Bare bones, alright.
Think you got him?
Nice. Well, thank God.
Come on.
Bro,
What did you find?
These bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this?
The train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
About them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us, okay? See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride.
hold up. Where's my dead eye?
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. Hurry.
All right, W. Rob the train.
For Lord's sake, put that book away and go.
S. Eastward bound.
Very well.
So, we getting out of this hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch.
We moving finally. I'ma skip this. Nothing, anyways. Alright. Yeah, it just ended up right here.
Get us out the street. Watch out for the rocks.
Gotta keep us moving, but calm.
Dang!
Ah, shit.
I ain't even hit nothing.
Let's take a look.
You all right back
Does
there?
everything look all right?
Well, I'm tired of you.
Ah, I broke the goddamn wheel.
Dang it, Arthur.
Yeah.
I reckon we can handle it. All right, Charles, you and me hold the thing up while you try and put the wheel back on, Arthur.
You still strong enough to hold up a wing?
Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Don't say less. Pick the wheel up.
That's what I'm doing, Goofy. Hey, shut up.
Nearly there.
See? You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
What do you think? If they wanted trouble, we wouldn't have seen them.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well, get in. I'll tell you. Not too far now. Stay on this trail. We'll follow the river, then cut left inland. So,
Compass.
yes, the Indians in these parts got sort of very rowdy. Get up, we've got work to do. This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country. They lost it all. Stolen clean away from them it was, every blade of grass. Killed or herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
And how's that different from anywhere else?
Well, maybe it's not. I just heard some of the army out here was particularly unpleasant about it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly? We don't, in spite of Dutch's talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
You'll bust up the wagon off the road.
Hey, don't blame it on me. Never forget, this here's a con man, Charles, born and bred.
All right.
Just because it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What are you talking about, bro? I should play that stupid sound.
So, what happened to your tribe?
I don't even know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man. He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did. When we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. All the life I've been on the run. A couple years later, some soldiers captured my mother. Took her somewhere. We never saw her again. We drifted around. He was a very sad man, and the drink had a mean hold on him. Around 13, I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
It's a long story. Yeah. We still heading the right way?
That depends. Are we still heading west in search of fortune and repose in virgin forests as we planned? No. Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws, working girls, our kind of place.
Driscoll's?
Probably them too.
Pinkertons?
Let's hope not.
And this place we're going. Wait, but what's it called again?
Horseshoe Overlook.
A good place to lie low?
It'll do for now.
Hold up. Oh, I didn't. I don't know if we're close to getting there, but I'll see you guys when I'm there.
Working on there anyway.
Cutscene.
Just some yarrow and ginseng. Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah, you can have all this. I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah.
There you are, brother. Head in there and follow the track for a bit.
Thanks.
Hey, slow up. I'll jump on.
Oh,
Okay,
Javier.
let's go.
Any trouble getting in here, Javier?
Nope. It went well. This is a good spot.
Excellent. I think this will work for us, Arthur.
Weird. Alright, not too far. So I'll stop it after we get there.
You weren't wrong, Jose. This place is perfect.
I hope so.
Gentlemen, we have survived.
For now.
Now it is time to prosper.
Alright.
Arthur and I were about to prosper in Blackwater. We were onto something big. Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years, Jose. Every last one of us. But I kept us together, kept us alive, kept the nooses off our neck.
I guess I'm just worried. I ain't got that long, Dutch. I want folks safe before I go.
Me too.
And now we are stuck east of the Grizzlies and out of money, a long way from our dream of virgin land in the west.
I know, my brother, but we are safe. We make a bit of money here, then we move again, head out around them, be west of Uncle Sam. In a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
But you just look around you. This world has its consolations.
All right.
Gentlemen, I'm going to head into the local town and, see if I can strike up a little business.
Of course, Herr Strauss. Up for robbing banks to usury. Seems more dignified somehow. Now, everyone, put your tools down for a moment. Come on, gather around. Quickly now. I know that things have been tough, but we are safe now, and we are far too poor. So it is time for everyone to get to work.
Get to work and stay out of trouble. Remember, we are itinerant workers.
Laid off when they shut down our factory to the north. Now get out there and see what you can find. Uncle, Reverend Swanson, no more passengers. It is time for everyone to earn their keep.
There's a town a little way down the track named Valentine. Livestock town, all mud and morons, if I remember right. That seems a decent place to start.
And we need food. Real food. That means every day. One of you.
And remember, whatever it is that you find, the camp gets its slice. Now be sensible out there.
All right.
Now the girls have your tent ready, Mr. Morgan. Come with me. You two will be ready shortly. We put you over here.
I'm sure everything will be fine, Mr. Shaw.
It should be. Most of your stuff from Blackwater got saved.
Everything apart from my money.
Oh, don't remind me.
Well, we can always make more money.
We're gonna have to. Miss Jackson, I've seen shit with more common sense than you. Do it properly.
Yo. Chapter 2, Horseshoe Overlook. Chapter 2, let's go! A couple of weeks later.
Got off the mountain, rode east into some pretty enough country called the Heartlands. We've been this far east in many a year. Gus seems a little better. His eyes are sparkling once more. I can see he's thinking a little clearer. I think we all feel a little happier.
All right.
In spite of Blackwater and that whole mess.
Can I freely roam now?
Jose?
Eat, drink, and rest to maintain your
Let's hope
course.
so.
There's a bunch of the boys already in Valentine. Bill, Charles, and Javier. And Swanson found something down at the train station by the lake, apparently. And Strauss came back with that creepy little smile on his face. I'm sure there's a whole list of unfortunates he's forced money upon.
Thank you. And you?
I'm gonna read a book.
Camera.
Hi, Dutch.
New journal entry. Your gang's camp is shown by icon on the map. Being Pearson animals. Bring Pearson animals to supply the camp.
Nothing. Nothing at all. For the first time in weeks, nothing. We're free. We're free to plan our own futures once more.
I hope so, Dutch.
You kept the faith, Arthur. You always kept it.
Your meter's getting long. You can use the shaving kit beside your tent or visit a barbershop to maintain your facial hair. Where is it? Where is it? Shaving kit. Trim. I like that. Alright, so, oh my god, come on, bro. Can you sit down? Can I sit down?
Good morning, Arthur.
What do you think of this place, Susan?
An improvement on the last, that's for sure.
Well, that ain't too hard.
Can I sit down, please? Thank you. Alright, guys, we're gonna end this episode off right here. So, we're finally out in the open in the sunny skies, you know, and maybe we'll do some few more missions, because, like, I see all of this on the map and all that, you know. You got, Reverend Swanson, yeah. You got Valentine, yeah. So, I'll see you guys in the next episode.